So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to take an interview with my brother because he is doing his medicine in Philippines. So if someone have something related to studies in Philippines or studies in medicine, then they can take the help from him because he will help you. And also friends, he have his own Instagram and a YouTube channel, so please I will mention his link in the description, so please subscribe to his channel because I never ask for myself to do subscribe or like my videos, but please do for my brother because he requested me to make this small video. So friends, now let's start the video. Oh, hello Ajay, how are you?
Yes, man, I'm fine. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing good. So Ajay, as you are a MBBS student in Philippines, so let's have one small introduction about you to our viewers.
So, hello everyone. My name is Ajay, studying MD second year, MBBS second year from Davao Medical School Foundation from Philippines, Davao City.
Okay. So Ajay, as you know that in India the MBBS is for 5 years. So what is the duration of MBBS in Philippines?
Yes, here in Philippines, basically we have 6 years. You need to do 2 years BS course. Either is a BS Biology or BS Psychology. So wherever you go in Philippines, you need to do your BS Psychology or BS Biology 2 years. So that we can and then after that we get a seat in medicine, that is 4 years. Total 6 years duration.
It means the MBBS duration is there 2 plus 4, right? 2 years
2
for
plus 4.
basic degree and 4
BSc.
years for MBBS degree.
MBBS
Okay,
degree.
that's great. Yes. So as I have heard that, for example, those students who ever doing their MBBS from foreign, especially Philippines, China, Russia, etc. So when they will come back to India, so the degree is not acceptable. For example, they are not recognized by MCI or they have to write some test, etc., etc. So what is your opinion on this topic?
So as I'm requesting all the students before going to abroad for studying, first of all, first you have to choose that is that university is approved by MCI or not. So you have to gain some information and gather some information about the university.
The degree, whether after getting the education from foreign, especially in Philippines, so when you come back to India, so does it have value or we have to write the exams or not? Can you please explain?
Yes, it's acceptable. For now, there is only one exam, that is NEST. For the past years we have a FMG. For now we have a NEST exam for all the Indians. For all Indians and foreigners, we have to write only one exam, that is NEST. So from 2023 it is going to start it. So you have to qualify the NEST so that your degree will be acceptable in India.
So Ajay, as you are studying in Philippines, so what is the overall experience for education in Philippines, like teaching and exams, etc., etc.? So is it difficult, or can you please explain something about this?
Okay, so as in Philippines, when compared to India, so in Philippines, especially in Davao Medical Schools Foundation, in my college, your teaching pattern is very nice. So it's very strict also when compared to India.
Okay, as for example, if some students they are getting their MBBS degree from India, so in the last year they have like 1 year, I think, house surgeon type or like internship type. So what is the scenario in the Philippines? Whether the students will get the chance for the house surgeon or not?
Yes, here in Philippines, I know that 4 years is the medical degree. So after the completion of your third year, for third year onwards, we have internship. You have to go for internships, like you have to gather for get your names in a selected hospital. We have to go there and we have to work like a junior doctors in the respective hospitals. So for the fourth year onwards, you have internship here in Philippines whole years.
For example, as you know that when we were in India, so we'll see on board on the road they will like flexes, they will like 10 MBBS in Philippines only for 10 lakhs, MBBS in China only for 11 lakhs. So what is the like real education cost, total expensive from first day to the last? So what will be the total cost in the reality, not through the consultancy? I'm asking for 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs. What is the real cost? Please explain with your experience.
Yes, nice question, bro. So when I was in my +2 and when I'm doing my inter +2, so at that time I got very low marks. So there was some of the members, agents, they were just telling that If you want to study in abroad, you have to just you spend 20 lakhs only, 25 lakhs only. So everyone that it's only same, it's only low package, so it will go. But they are all fake. Please don't blindly don't believe on them. So as I'm a student here in Philippines, I am experiencing more. So it will be around 40 to 50 lakhs per whole packages.
In university, approximately minimum charges are like minimum cost will be 50 lakhs or only
Yes, 50,
for
40,
everyone?
yes. No, 40 to 50 lakhs.
Minimum
It
40.
may be
That's
approximately 42. I'm including all this like
everything,
flight
like
charges,
A to Z, A to
everything.
Z, A to Z.
Yes, A to Z. Yes, like all this, living cost, cost of living, all those, including 40 to 50 lakhs. For
For 6
students
years.
who are planning to study in Philippines, you have to first plan for 40 to 50 lakhs. Don't go for blended that it will 25 lakhs only.
Okay, so for example, what is after MBBS? For example, if you are completing your MBBS in Philippines, then what about next? Do you get the job in Philippines, or do you able to practice as a doctor in Philippines, or it is easy to get a job in other countries or in India? So what is after that? Please explain this.
Okay, after completing your MBBS in any countries like MBBS, so I am here student in MBBS in Davao. So after the completion of my MBBS degree in Davao, so I have to go back to India. So I have to prepare for a next exam. Next exam. So after clearing my next examination, so that's the way I have to go for my any job opportunity in India. So for in Philippines, you have to write a NMET, not same like NMET. You have to write the national exam so that I can do practice in Philippines. Like that we have P Lab in for UK. Like that only different countries having different examinations for the step.
Okay, for example, oh, I understand. Means in order to practice as an MBBS student, we have to write the different exams for different countries. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay, Azhar. So, what about like food and culture and traditions and weather, especially for the Philippines?
Yes, here in Philippines, I know that we have only two seasons, that is summer and rainy season. So here in Philippines, we know there is earthquakes are very very common. So earthquakes are very common. They're like monthly, twice time. Two times it will come. It is not more hazardous to us. Like it will last around 5 to 6 seconds only. And also food system. We have here a lot of Indian the restaurants also. Indian restaurants, they were working hard for us. So no need to worry about the Indian food is available here.
Yeah, like what is the admission requirement? For example, if some students have passed their intermediate, their 12th class, okay. So after that, how they can start their application with the help of any consultancy, or they can start their own also?
No, after completion of your intermediate, you need to write a NEET exam. So NEET exam means you don't no need to get a big score. So you need to just qualify your NEET exam. So like this, you having 150 cutoff like that only. So you need to just qualify the NEET exam. So after that, you choose your any nearby consultancy. Thereby you will go. So by your own opinion, we can't go there. So by help of any consultancy, we have to go there. So in easier way.
So Ajay, thank you so much for sharing all your valuable information. And I think if some students had their doubts, they can simply contact you. So if you like to share your Instagram ID or something social media, so it will be helpful for the viewers. So please share me. If you are okay, then I will mention in my description. So if someone want, they can simply contact you and you can help them regarding studies in Philippines as a MBBS.
Yes, sure, bro. I will try to help.